In this video, I will show you how to get more credits in Base44 after you've run out. Let's get started. From the main dashboard, I'll navigate to the top left corner and click on my workspace name to open the account overview. Here, I can see my current credit usage, including message credits and integration credits. Since I'm reaching my limit, I'll click on the Upgrade Your Plan button. This takes me to the pricing page where I can compare the different tiers: Starter, Builder, Pro, and Elite. Each plan offers a significant increase in monthly and integration credits to suit different project scales. I'll scroll through the features of each plan, noting that higher tiers include perks like unlimited apps, custom domains, and priority support. Once I find the plan that fits my needs, such as the Elite 4 plan, which offers 3.3 thousand monthly credits and 125,000 integration credits, I simply click the upgrade button to replenish my account and continue building without interruption. It's a powerful way to streamline your digital workspace and maximize productivity. Now that my credits are topped up, I'm ready to dive back into my next build. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.